What's up guys, hope you're having an awesome day. Today we're going to be working on the rear bumper of the Tacoma. As you've seen in the previous video, it is an Arctic Industries rear bumper, same as the matching front. So we got the Tacoma up on the lift right now. We're going to start by taking all this stuff apart and getting all the sensors and factory rear bumper taken off. All right, so I have everything taken off as far as the rear bumper goes. Now I'm getting ready to cut this bracket right here. It is in the way of the new bumper. You can also bend this down, I believe, but I'm gonna go ahead and just cut it here and then smooth it out. All right, so now that we have the fascia cover off this thing, we can take off the blind spot monitoring sensors. We're gonna need these to zip tie up and out of the way. They won't retain in the factory bumper. So now you can access these things. Milwaukee M12, the bomb, link in the description. Alright, so next up is going to be these license plate lights. These come with the kit. You'll just toss them in here and here.